AT, what up?
New Young Dolph inspired sample and MIDI pack available. Produced by Beat It AT. New and original Young Dolph inspired samples and MIDI. Download and purchase samples, MIDI or both. The best price for the best samples. Over 500 files and over 400 megabytes of files for everything. Have lifetime access to your orders, with approximately 24-hour customer service. Stems included for every melody composition, the most freedom for sample users. Of the best Young Dolph inspired samples and MIDI. Link to the pack in the description. Samples like this available over at www.beatitat.com. Get the AT Dolph sample and MIDI pack now at beatitat.com. Several additional packs to choose from.
Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up?